We are going to discuss about the exercise number 6.2 in the chapter integer, question number 2. So, question is use number line and add the following integers. In this question, we have to add two integers using a number line. Okay, so let us move to the number line. So, here we have one number line. So first we have to, the question is 9 plus minus 6. Okay, so first of all the first digit is 9, so we can reach on 9 from 0. First of all we can find the 9. This is 9. Okay, that is a positive integer, so it is present on the right side of the number line. Okay, so first of all we can move from 0 to 9. Okay, so it will express like this. Okay, then we have to add minus 6 to 9. Okay, that is minus 6 is a negative integer, right? So in the case of a negative integer, we can move on the left direction from the starting point of a number line. So 9 is the starting point, right? So we have to add minus 6 to 9. So we have to move 6 points left to 9. So we have to start from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to reach on 3. Okay, so this is the left direction of 9. So we can move 6 points from 9. So we can express like this. From 9 to 3. Okay, so we can reach on 3. So the answer will be 3. 9 plus minus 6 is 3. Okay, one more time I will repeat. In this kind of question, 9 plus minus 6, that is the question. So first of all we can identify the starting point, that is 9. So first we can move from 0 to 9. Then we can add second integer, that is minus 6. So that is a negative integer. So we can move on left direction from the starting point in a number line. So we can move from 9 to their left direction. So this is the left direction of 9. So we can move 6 points from 9 to left directions. Then we reach on 3. So it will express like this. Okay, so the answer will be 9 plus minus 6 is 3. To B part, the question is 5 plus minus 11. So as same as the A part. Okay, so let us go to the number line. Okay, already done a number line here. So first digit is 5. 5 plus minus 11. So first of all we can identify or plot 5. So here we can see the 5. So from 0 to 5. Okay, this is the starting point of this integers addition, right? So we can reach on 5. Then we can add minus 11 to 5. Okay, so this is second digit is a minus 11, that is a negative integer. So in the case of a negative integer, we can move on left direction on the number line from the starting point. So this is the starting point, that is 5. So this 5's left direction is this. Okay, this is the left direction of 5 on a number line. Okay, so then we add minus 11 to 5. So we can move 11 points from the starting point, that is 5, on left direction. Okay, so 11 points from 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we can reach on minus 6. So it will express like this. Okay, on a number line. So the answer will be 5 plus minus 11, that is minus 6. So easy, children. Okay, let us go to C part. In C, the question is minus 1 plus minus 7. Okay, so both are negative integers. So let us go to the number line. Okay, so first digit is minus 1. So here we have minus 1 from 0. Okay, first point is minus 1. Then minus 7 is the second point. We can add to minus 1. So minus 7. So minus 7 is a negative integer. Okay, so that is a minus integer. We can move on left direction from the starting point in a number line. Okay, so this is the starting point, that is minus 1. This is the left direction. Okay, so from this point we can move 7 points, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we can reach on minus 8. So it will express like this. From minus 1 to minus 8. So it will express like this. Okay. So the answer will be minus 8. Minus 1 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 8. We can add using a number line. Okay, children. Coming to D part. The question is minus 5 plus 10. So that is the question. Okay. So we can move to the number line, right? So first digit is minus 5. First we can plot the minus 5 from 0. So this is minus 5. We can plot from 0 to minus 5. So we can reach on the first point, that is minus 5. Okay, the first part is already finished. Then second that is plus 10. We can add 10 to minus 5. So first of all, we can identify which kind of integer, that is a positive integer. So in the case of a number line, the positive integer is the number we can given in the question. So we can move on right direction from the starting point of a number line. Okay, so this is a positive integer, so we can move only on right direction from the starting point. This minus 5 is the starting point, so this is the right direction and the right, and this is the left direction of a starting point. Okay, so which direction we can move from minus 5? So we can move on the right direction because second digit is a positive integer, that is 10. So we can move 10 points from the starting point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can reach on 5. So from minus 5 to 10 points we can move. So we can reach on 5. Okay, so it will express like this. Okay, so we should put an arrow. Okay. So the answer will be 5. Okay. Minus 5 plus 10. The answer will be 5. Okay, children. Coming to E. Okay. The question is minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. These 3 are a negative integers. Okay. So let us move to the number line. The first digit is minus 1. First we can plot minus 1 on the number line from 0. So first of all we can plot minus 1. Okay. Then this is minus 1. First point, that is minus 1, we can reach on minus 1. Okay. Then second integer is minus 2. So we can add minus 2 to minus 1. Okay. So minus 2 is a negative integer. Obviously we can move on left direction from the starting point. So this is the left direction of minus 1. Okay. So we can move 2 points from minus 1. So 2 points, 1, 2. So we can reach on minus 3. This is the second point. So how will it express? So minus 1 to 2 points we can move. Then we should reach on minus 3. Okay. So one more digit is left here. Okay. That is minus 3. Right. So we can add minus 3 to the sum of these two digits. Okay. The sum of first two digit is minus 3. Already we got. Okay. So minus 3 we can reach on minus 3. Then we can add again minus 3 to the number line. Okay. So how it will add? Okay. Then we can move 3 points from the starting point. This is minus 3 is the starting point. After adding these two digits. Okay. Minus 3 is the starting point. This is the left direction, because we can choose left direction because third integer is a negative integer. So we obviously choose left direction in the number line. So from minus 3 to 3 points we can move. Right. So 1, 2, 3. So we can reach on minus 6. So it will express like this. Minus 3 to 3 points we can move. So we should reach on minus 6. So the answer of minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 is minus 6. That is also a negative integer. Right, children? Coming to F. Okay. Question number 2. F part. Right. So question is minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4. So we can add 3 digits. Right. So first of all, we can reach on first point from 0, that is minus 2. So 0 to minus 2, here this is minus 2, we can plot like this. Okay, so first of all we can reach on the starting point, that is minus 2. So we can move on second integer, that is 8. That is a positive integer. So obviously we can move on right direction from the starting point, that is minus 2 in a number line. So 8 points we can move right on right direction because it is a positive integer, right? So this is minus 2. This is the right direction of minus 2. Okay. So we can move 8 points from minus 2. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can, or we should reach on 6. So it will express like this. Okay, like this. Then one more digit is left here. That is minus 4. So we can, now we reached in 6. Okay, then we add minus 4 to 6. Okay, so minus 4, that is a negative integer. So in the case of a negative integer, we can, or we should move on left direction from the starting point in a number line. So this is the second starting point, right? So this is the left direction of this starting point because we can choose the left direction, that is here we have minus 4. Okay, so that is a negative integer. So we can choose the left direction in the number line from starting point. This is the starting point, second starting point, that is 6. So minus 4 points we can move, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points we can move. We reached 2, right? So it will express from this starting point, that is the second starting point, that is 6. So from the 6, 4 points we move, then reached on 2. Okay, don't be confused. First, one more time I will repeat. First, the answer is 2. Okay. First of all, here we have 3 digits. Okay. So minus 2, 8 and minus 4. First of all, we can identify the position of minus 2 from the 0. So first we identify this minus point from 0. So it will express like this, right? So then we can identify the second integer, that is 8, right? So 8 is a positive integer. So we can add on minus 2 to 8. We can we can move on the right direction in the number line from the starting point. So from minus 2 we can move 8 points, we can reach on 6, right? So we can add these 2 digits first. First we can add these 2 digits, minus 8 and 8. Sorry, minus 2 and 8. We got the answer is 6, right? Then we can add minus 4, that is third integer, to the present answer, right? So present answer is 6. So we can add minus 4 to 6. So minus 4 is a negative integer. So we can move left direction from the starting point. This is the starting point, right? So this is the left direction. So we can start from 6 to 4 points we can move, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So we can reach 2. So the answer will be 2. Minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4, that is 2. Right? Okay. So in this patterns or in this kind of questions, we can use a number line for adding integers. Okay. Thank you, children.